को तो सब जानते हैं, भीगे होंठ तेरे।
That's right.
तो उसी से हम स्टार्ट करते हैं, 2 लाइन गुनगुनाइए पहले।
भीगे होंठ तेरे, प्यासा दिल मेरा, लगे अब्र सा, मुझे तुम तेरा।
क्या बात है, आपने धीमे धीमे गाया, मगर वो कमाल की वोकल्स हैं आपके, माहौल नॉइजी है, लेकिन क्या बात है। यू नो, आई मीन ही हैज स्टार्टेड दिस, डोंट यू थिंक इट्स लिटिल लेट, बट इट्स सो गुड दैट ऑल ऑफ यू आर सपोर्टिंग।
See, he's been so busy doing so much work. He never thought that he needs to do something like that. है ना, उनको कभी ये जरूरत नहीं समझी, पर जब लाइक माइंडेड पीपल आए और उन्होंने कहा कि आप प्लीज हमारे साथ जुड़े, तो फिर उन्होंने कहा अच्छा चलो मैं देखूं क्या करना चाह रहे हो आप. सो दैट्स हाउ ही, वक्त होता तो पहले जुड़ते, आज भी वक्त नहीं है, बिकॉज ही इज कॉन्स्टेंटली डूइंग समथिंग और द अदर, एंड दैट्स एग्जैक्टली व्हाई I decided to do his podcast as well, because you don't find me, you'll not see me at parties, you'll not see me, but I did his podcast because first of all he asked, and when Samir ji asks,
you can't deny.
No, the love and respect you have for someone who's done such a big body of work and has kept himself still special, and you can still count on him as one of the biggest, and so to say, the last of the Mohicans.
Yes.
You know, he's still in reckon, you know. And when you meet up with someone like that, you know that the kind of questions he's going to ask you, जो सवाल करेंगे वो भी उनकी personality के जैसे ही होंगे. तो उन्होंने इतने beautiful, it was a very personal podcast, though I don't share too many details, but I couldn't help it because he knows my wife from the time she was singing for Anand Milind.
Yes, we also know it.
You know. So it was a pleasure talking to him, and I also told him, look, I said my podcast is not going to be masaledar, because I am not into gossip and I am not into other people's lives.
Yeah, we know.
No trivia, no.
But whatever you have professionally is really to reckon with.
Yeah. So it was a very, when you see it, you'll realize that, you know, and even he was so beautiful, and he said, इसीलिए तो मुझे पता था कि मैं जब तुमको बुलाऊंगा तब ये बहुत स्पेशल पॉडकास्ट होगा, क्योंकि इसमें इस दुनिया की बातें कम होंगी.
नहीं, लेकिन उस दुनिया, मतलब हम लोग ने देखा है आप लोगों को, यू नो, वी हैव सीन योर स्ट्रगलिंग डेज एज वेल. हाउ डिफरेंट इज नाउ, यू नो, द न्यू एंट्रांस, एंड इफ यू कुड एक्सप्लेन अ लिटिल बिट अबाउट द प्लेटफॉर्म दैट Omora Music, what is going to provide, and how are you going to help them excel?
I don't know anything about. I just know Samir ji.
Okay.
But if Samir ji has joined hands with them, like he said, he's going to endorse all of us. We're going to do projects along with the newer talents. We're going to sing for him. We're going to collaborate. Newer melodies, be it spiritual, be it pop, be it film, be it folk. So we'll see. And like I said, this is going to be my 128th song, which I've done for Samir ji.
Oh, would you like to gungunao that also a little?
No, I'm saying, no, I've not done it yet, but जब ये गाना होगा अमोरा के लिए, वो मेरा 128वां गाना होगा समीर जी.
So is it a video?
I don't know. It will become a video finally. जब record होगा. So he has an idea of what he wants to do with me. So whenever that idea, he opens up that idea to me, मैं podcast मैंने किया समीर जी के साथ, तो वो उसमें बहुत मजा है.
Okay. What are your future films, if you could?
Films, not too many, because आजकल उतनी फिल्में बन नहीं रही है. And in the last 10 years, I was on a break since my son was born. I took
Yes,
a sabbatical
I know.
in 2015, and I got back in 2023. When he turned
Was
8.
it something specific, or you were like a hands-on
father? Yeah.
So what all you did for him?
We
What
did
is his name?
everything. His name is Mrinal Sai, and
Is he walking onto your steps?
well, he, you know, Gayatri, my wife, is such a wonderful actress, singer. She's the only lady in India of Indian origin and of Indian nationality to be on the West End in London as a lead. So she played Princess Anjali in a beautiful West End musical called the Far Pavilions in London. So she was there for 2 years, and so हमारा बच्चा है तो म्यूजिक तो होगा.
Inherited.
It's God's grace. तो वो बहुत सारे इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स बजाता है. He plays the piano, he plays the violin, plays the drums, he plays the guitar. He doesn't like singing and I'm happy. But I told him that you must sing so that when you play your music or you compose, it's one of the greatest vehicles to take your music forward. Because आप जब पियानो पे ट्यून बजाओ और जब आप पियानो के साथ गाओ, उसमें बहुत फर्क होता है. So he says, okay, Dad, for that sake, I will also sing.
Such an obedient son.
No, he's quite headstrong.
Headstrong.
Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, it's interesting. The new generation is fantastic.
Yeah.
But I love being a hands-on dad. And I came out of my sabbatical in 2023 and a lot of things had changed and I'm happy.
Yeah, happiness is but a process, And
I've always been, because all this is a bonus for me.
Exactly. See, in our days, like your days and the golden era, the lyrics were so meaningful. Now the lyrics, नहीं थोड़े से तो बेशर्मी आ रही है. जैसे अभी लेटेस्ट एक नूरा फतेह का जो आया है. क्या what would you like to see?
That was a little over the too much. It was too out there, unfortunately. But it's okay. I'm not into condemning things. Everybody has to bear their own cross. जो काम आप करोगे उसको आपको जिंदगी भर अपने shoulders पे उठाना है.
Yeah, sexy, peppy, and foot tapping numbers are but the need of the hour, But
I was a little taken aback because it was unnecessarily too bold. It's a little dirty, but it's okay now. It's their discretion, and whoever composed it, whoever sang it, it's their axe to grind.
Okay.
And they cross to bear.
So what next with you and Gayatri, husband and wife doing something?
She stopped doing Bollywood a long time back because she was very happy doing music and singing for friends. Because she didn't like. In fact, Himesh Bhai's first song was Mohabbat-e-Mirchi, which was Shan and her. And she introduced me to Himesh Bhai. So the funny thing is, in the after party of the movie, जिसका गाना था ये, I remember she introducing me, and by then my Hamdam Suniyo Re from Sathi had already released. So Himesh Bhai was also very happy to meet me, but she introduced me. So she was very happy, and she doesn't like to work late hours. So, our industry sometimes wakes up only at 7 in the evening. So she prefers not to, even when we were not married. So those are her principles, and I respect them as a friend and now as a husband.
Okay, on a parting note, what would you like to say, to the new entrant?
Today, it's not just about films. And like I said, there's a lot of good writing today. It's not poetic necessarily, but it's very aam zindagi.
General vocabulary.
So times have changed, lyrics will change. But yes, people do miss the work which was in the era before me and our era. And hopefully, there'll always be an audience. And we are also trying to kind of move with the time, but we can't change ourselves because the time has changed. अगर कोई अच्छी melody लिखेगा, if they cast us, we are available. Otherwise, we're happily traveling, performing, and making our fans happy and making money.
And running your kitchen. Stage shows are so important.
Artists को आप या तो स्टूडियो में मिलेंगे या तो स्टेज पे मिलेंगे. जैसे बहुत सारे लोग सर शो है, मैंने कहा हाँ तो आर्टिस्ट और क्या करेगा.
तो अभी कौन सा शो जा रहे हैं और
सारे हैं.
अभी जो लेटेस्ट जाने वाले हैं.
अभी मैं गोवा जा रहा हूँ for a Riverside festival. I'm leaving for Goa. I just came back from Bangalore day before.
Okay.
So there's always Lokmat जो print है, तो उनका award था, तो I performed in that.
Yeah. So what are the series of songs you're going to sing for Goa?
All my hits. But you can't.
One more hit while we leave. You can just sing it for us.
क्या गाऊं? Oh Hamdam Suniyo Re, oh Janiya Suniyo Re. My first chart topper.
Yes,
Satya. A.R. Rahman sir gave me this beautiful song. While he was in London doing Bombay Dreams, he cast me on this song. So.
Okay. Before leaving, would I say that this platform is going to give a tough competition to T-Series?
Early days, but T-Series was new when HMV and Polygram and Polydor were there. So there's always hope for a new beginning. I don't know if it'll give competition because T-Series is too big and they have earned their their
Yeah,
size
the name and fame
and fame
everything.
over the
It
years.
was all because of Gulshan ji.
T-Series gave the industry Nadeem Shravan, Anand Milan, and so many, Kumar Sanu, Anuradha ji. Though Anuradha ji was already established before that, Alka Yagnik ji, so many singers and composers. So.
Thank you so much for talking to us. Thank you.